So you know, I was watching this, well actually someone pointed out to me, Russ, if you're watching this, what's up bro? Pointed out to me how it was on Will Smith, it was his vlog that he had, and he was saying that different cities appeal to different people in different ways. So for example, he was saying that for him, Miami is his space. When he's in Miami, he feels alive. And he said that his son Jaden, when he's in Canada, he felt alive. When his wife Jada was in Kuwait, she felt alive. And he said everyone has their city that appeals to them, or their place that appeals to them. For me, it was always Barcelona, having that energy. And when I'm in Barcelona, I just, you know, being close to there for like 5 years, I need 3-4 hours of sleep. And now it's Poland, and the last maybe 4 or 5 years has been that way. It's the place where right now it's super early in the morning, as you guys can see. There's like nobody even out. You know, and I've been up since maybe like 4:30, feeling great. I might crash a little bit later today in the vlog, but you know, but it's one of those places that appeal to me. And if I just have one thought, or just one, if I could give you guys a piece of advice for today, because I don't know what's going on, it'd be like to find that place that appeals best to you, whether it's a country, a city, and it's just to keep searching for that, you know, because once you find it, it changes everything. The efficiency, how effective you are with things, it just changes completely. And I just felt like I needed to get that off my chest today, giving some value to the vlog. And now on my way to the square to try to find a place for coffee. Really crazy. It's like there's like no people out right now. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm in the main square and I can whisper. Can you guys hear me though? Like there's no one here, and I don't even see those marketplaces here. So all those market things that you saw earlier, I think that they're not here all the time. I guess I was just kind of lucky to kind of be here when they were here. But now just kind of, I don't know, I'm kind of enjoying walking around with no people. Because having no people here just makes it so kind of peaceful and quiet. And the one thing I don't understand in Poland is they just have these chairs kind of undone. So literally you could just sit here and just chill. Actually, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I had totally the wrong idea. I was like, I need to find a place that's open, because everyone, you guys were saying in the comments, Luke, there's no Cafe Nero here. We have more small coffee shops. You should visit the smaller coffee shops. I understand. I totally agree. I love supporting the small coffee shops, the small businesses. But there's one problem. Those small coffee shops, those small businesses don't open until 8 or 9 or 10 or even 11 o'clock. So when I'm trying to get the work done and get to have a coffee and all that stuff early in the morning at 6, at 7, at 8, those small coffee shops, they're closed. So very productive morning. Sun is back out. I don't understand though, it was like 38 degrees yesterday, and today it is cold and windy, but it's all good. Still happy to be here in POZNAN. Okay, so from everything you just saw, all the little B-roll and all that kind of stuff, that literally maybe 3.5, 4 hours of fast, and now trying to find some place where I can get some kind of healthy food. I've been eating pretty unhealthy, a little bit too many pierogies right now, and I need to find some place that has some kind. Okay, so finally found a place kind of on this street. It's right across, you can always remember, it's right across from the English school right there, which is awesome. POZNAN for having an English school, great job. And so far, almost everyone is spoken English. I've met a few people who haven't, but it's okay. There's hope for them. There's English school, but I'm working on Polish too, don't worry, don't try. And now ordered something, it's kind of like, okay, so this place right here, definitely approved for you guys. And Sophia, if you're watching this, stick with it. Like another month, 2 months, you're gonna be good. Now off to, actually one thing I should say, because what I was talking about with Sophia might actually help some of you guys out. Just in real quick summary, it just means, like, you know, anytime you're starting something new, you guys are starting something new, trying something new, it's always going to be tough in the beginning, whether that's working out, whether that's a new job, whether that's a new city, moving to a new place. It's going to be hard in the beginning. Like, it's going to be hard. It's just one thing, like, you guys need to understand. It's going to be hard. Just stick with it in the beginning. Usually, wow, these cafes are so nice, but it's going to be hard in the beginning. Basically, just stick with it. Stick with it the first little bit of time. The first part is always the hardest, but once you make it there, it usually gets easier. The motivation change, and you'll get better. And that was basically what me and Sophie talked about, and I hope that it can benefit you guys as well. And now, and it's crazy because I don't speak Polish, but I do recognize the word free in many languages. So crazy how ending the day kind of in the same place that I started, but I feel like in front of this church is a decent place to do it. 'Cause yeah, like I say, it's like probably my last night here. I'm definitely gonna miss this place. But the thing is, it's not like I'm leaving Poland, so it's like, it's a different feeling than what I usually would feel like when I'm leaving a place. But it's definitely been cool. It's definitely a really quiet, concentrated city. I know it's not small. Like, some people got not mad, but they were like, it's not a small city. It's 600,000 people, or however many people are here. But no, it's been a great time. It's been fun. I've actually really been calm, believe it or not. I've been tempted to go, you guys who are from here, I've been tempted to go to Cubana Libre, or Cuba Libre, whatever this is. I went there like twice, but I've been tempted to go there, but I've been really chilling out, relaxing. Maybe tonight will be a different story, but it's been really interesting here, and definitely will come back. I don't know when, but I definitely will come back. And yeah, you guys need to come check out, and you guys definitely need to come check out POZNAN. It's a really cool city, and it doesn't get any credit. I don't understand why no one ever talks about this place, but I like it. I'll be back. Didn't do too much. I hope you guys got some kind of value out of today. Definitely come check out POZNAN if you guys can, and just want to thank you guys all so much for watching and being here, and I'll speak to you guys all later. And everyone, always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.